Hey guys, this is SANY from EVANGEL International Machinery Ltd. Now we arrived at our Shanghai warehouse. I will introduce you 2 units SANY brand excavator. Okay, let's go. Here is our SANY brand crawler excavator model SY135C. The self-weight of the machine is 13.5 tons. Next, let's see the bucket. The capacity of bucket is 0.6 cubic meters. There are other optional attachments such as breaker, gripper, and so on to meet different working conditions. Machine already matched with hydraulic hammer pipes and quick coupler pipes. The boom and arm with safety explosion-proof valve, which is firm and durable. The cab is designed with convenience and safety. The interior has wide vision, complete decoration, and comfortable operation. Quick button, polite joystick, and rear camera. The main pump and main valve are Kawasaki, which is very reliable. It adopts famous ISUZU Stage III design engine. Its rated power is 33 kilowatts. SY135C is a powerful, efficient, and flexible machine, which can bring high values to clients. EVANGEL is a professional and reliable partner. If there is any inquiry, please feel free to contact us. Have a nice day.